to Lakeside Parkway. Right, in this video we're going to be looking at a new tool that we've received at the layout. This is the second attempt at making this video, so you'll probably see that some of it is already done, so apologies about that, but my audio didn't record. So basically what it is this here. So it is a portable airbrush, basically. So it comes with a small rechargeable compressor, a airbrush. It's from Amazon and it cost around £35. So basically in the box with it, apologies I haven't got the unboxing in this, the video didn't record the audio. So you get a load of accessories in here, so cleaners, different bottles and stuff like that, and a load of new nozzles. So what the actual item is, if I can get it in shot, is this here. So it's a small air compressor with an airbrush attached. What, doing a bit of research, this is actually designed for is makeup, but I haven't found anything anywhere advertised for it being for model railways or modelling at all, for painting, but it's perfect. So this small paint container here comes off. I filled it up with just some water-based acrylic paint, and basically what you do is you press here. So you've got a low and a high setting. So you can put it on low, and if you have a look here at the track, you just spray it there. And it just adds a bit of a dirt feel to the track, basically. It's all water-based paint, so you don't need to worry about getting it on the tracks, but it will just wipe off. But let me just pause that and fill it up with a bit more paint. So with it being water-based, obviously it's easy to use. I would recommend you wearing a mask if you spray indoors, but yeah. So you've got low setting here, which just puts a bit of thing, and then you've got a high setting here which puts a larger amount. So as I say, what I've done is just used like a brown the track dirty colour, just to put the bottom tint on it, and you can do it on buildings. It just adds a bit to the layout, like I say, so it doesn't look as clean. All you want is just a thing, and then you can go through properly after, and as you can see here, I've added a bit more, a few different colours, but yeah, it just adds to it, rather than it just looking, where is it, like over here, just factory fresh. It just adds a bit of like usedness to the layout. But yeah, this here cost around about £30-ish, and it's brilliant. So I'll add a link to it underneath if you want any questions or anything like that, but I would highly recommend getting one. It's absolutely brilliant. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.